I'm Hadijah.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Shakira.
你们好 I'm Brenda and
We are from UKM. On late April, we got news that we will be host to students from Ohio University. There was a collaboration activity regarding elderly population in Malaysia.
Then, on May 11, we first met them eye to eye. There were lots of first impressions that ran through our minds.
After our first encounter, bonds were created. We share all of our stories together. We help them understand our language and let them try to say a few. They help us understand themselves at a personal level and that make our bond stronger.
We had a discussion that talked about the different views and norms of different cultures between the Asian and Western students. This helped us open our minds to understand the perception of how elderly should be treated and how it differs from how we perceive them.
We realized that there are many more improvements that can be done in the Malaysian way of caring for the elderly, and we are the generation that will be making the change.
They had the opportunity to immerse themselves in Malaysian culture, where one of the Ohio students got to sing a Malaysian traditional song, Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey, hey, lihat nona jauh, rasa sayang, sayang, hey.
Having them as guests also helped me to really put myself out of my comfort zone and interact with other people.
So, all in all, it was fun having them here in Malaysia. We laughed together, got stressed together, relieved our stress with eating together, and at the end of the day, created the most beautiful of memories together. The memories we shared will forever remain in our hearts.
Thank you.